Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to join another brand new airdrop, and the project is called DeepNode AI. They already have 103k followers, and if you check their pin post you will see their airdrop is just live and you can join super early in this project. As for the funding, they already raised $5 million and their valuation is 75 million, and they are still in the funding round. If you check their investors, you will find some well-known names such as blockchain founders, Sidedoor Ventures, IOBC Capital, and some others. So what is DeepNode AI and what are they building? They say they are the infrastructure for open intelligence. Basically, it's a new platform for building and sharing artificial intelligence in an open, transparent, community-owned way. It calls itself the infrastructure for open intelligence. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I've put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To join this airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the description. From there, you will find this page link. After landing here, first you need to connect your wallet. So click on Connect Wallet. Then you can choose from MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Ruby Wallet. I'll just use MetaMask. Then click on Connect. And you will see a wrong network detected message. What we need to do is connect to the correct network. Just click it. Network successfully changed. Then just sign the message. It will switch to the base network. Okay, so the required network here is the base network. Confirm the request. And you are ready to go. After that, you need to connect your X account. You'll get 150 points because the points we earn can be converted into their token soon. So click on Connect. Then authorize the app. Then follow DeepNode AI on X. After that, you can tweet your referral link. You can click this to tweet. I'll click the tweet referral link for an additional 100 points. After that, click here, continue with Discord. Then you need to connect your Discord. So authorize it. Now you need to join their server. Click here. Then accept the invite. And then click on Verify. Then click on Continue. And again continue. Then solve the CAPTCHA. And you've now been verified. That's how simple it is. You'll get the validator role. It's coming soon, but it's good to get it early. You'll see the verified validator role here. There may be more updates later. Now go back to the website and click on Verify Membership. And done. So your Twitter and Discord are now connected. Now here, as you can see, there is a badges option. You need to claim badges to qualify for the airdrop. Right now you can claim this badge. But remember, claiming this badge has a gas fee of around $0.01 worth of Ethereum. So confirm the request. And there you go, the badge is now unlocked. You just grab the Social Warrior badge. Now click on Continue, and as you can see, I have just earned 300 points. Click on the dashboard, and here you will find the leaderboard section where you can see the top point gainers list. Now go back to the wallet section, and here you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost your points. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.